Welcome back in, guys. Trey Lowell here with Lowell Productions, and right in front of me today, we're going to be assembling a $15 DIY, what I want to call a way to dress up your YouTube studio on a cheap budget, coming up next. So if you're like myself, one thing that you are totally probably interested in is how do you make your YouTube set different and how do we do it on a budget? So recently I went to TJ Maxx and actually purchased two extremely cheap items coming in at $5.99. We've got this little string light setup that's going to be powered by two AA batteries, and I am going to then rig it within this little metal kind of cage that I also got for $5.99 from TJ Maxx. It's going to be more of a YouTube shelf item, something that you would put in the back of your YouTube set, or maybe as an item over your shoulder with a little bit of light, or great for shooting B-roll and putting it in the back of your set as well. A lot of times what you will find is these kind of lights will be put in glass jars, and that's kind of a cool little look, but I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. And when I saw these two items and how cheap they were, I kind of put two and two together of how could I make the item that's on the front of this look a little bit different and kind of unique for my YouTube set. A lot of these kind of items can be found on Amazon super cheap. Pretty much all I would do is type into Amazon search. I'd type in like LED battery powered lights or something like that. And the best part about something that's this cheap is that if I really screw it up all in, it's like maybe 14 bucks with tax, more so my time than anything. And if I do pull it off, it's a very unique item that will be specific for my YouTube set, which is why I kind of want to show you guys how simple you can kind of make an item that is unique to your personal kind of background. There we go. Oop. Definitely gonna need some batteries. Like an idiot, totally forgot those. All right, and we're back. Amateur mistake, forgetting the stinking batteries. All right, so there we go. Apparently this is on a 5-hour timer. We are going to jerry-rig this. Like I said, this is just off the top of my head, so there's no real strategy here other than trying to get this all in this cage, make it look cool, and kind of put it in the background of some kind of YouTube set that I have, or that you guys have. And you gotta understand, it's not gonna look perfect, but the idea is it's going to be nice to have this light in the back of my set. So it won't be distracting, but it also should look rather nice. It's a little bit of a mess. Just gonna try to tighten it up in there. And if I'm gonna be honest, this is totally kicking my butt. But we're gonna make it work. Now this will not be going on this particular set, but to give you guys an understanding of what it would like in the, what would it look like in the background, let's go ahead and find a place for it. Now that's gonna be so subtle you probably won't even be able to notice it, but we will see. And we're just gonna lightly put it there. And there you have it, voila guys, that coming in, the lights, the little bitty cage right behind me, right over my shoulder, is a nice little addition for the YouTube set. $15 all in at best with taxes. This could be something that you could use. Now granted, if you don't want to go this route and put it in the little bitty orb or whatnot, you could totally just take all of this out of here and string it around here. It's going to be a nice little addition and a look for your YouTube set. So that is a quick DIY lighting accessory, little like finagle thing for your YouTube set to make it pop, to make it look different and make it look unique. As always guys, it's Trey Lowell with Lowell Productions, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you like the content that I keep creating on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and as always, I will see you guys in the next tech video, you name it video. I butchered it. I'm just gonna end on that note. Ugh. It's been a while, YouTube. It's been a while. Can't be doing these videos all the time. I gotta pay bills. Boom. We done.